Good day, guys. This is an unboxing of a Pagani Submariner homage watch. Just got this from AliExpress 12 days after the original order was placed, so not too much of a wait for the watch. It's my first watch that I've ordered, my first unboxing, and I just want to show you the watch and show you how the package came, and then I'll do a full review at a later date. This is the Pagani Submariner PD1639 is the model number, and let's go. Just give me a second there. Let's put it down. Okay, there we go, guys. Let's have a look at the way the box has come. Okay, alright, the box isn't 100%, but anyway, this cost me just under €50 on the Alibaba Express, and the normal selling price for this is €115, but they're doing a half price sale, and plus I got some extra discounts as it's my first order from Alibaba Express. Oh, look at that watch. Nah. Let's take it out. See the packing. It's got all the labels there. Look at that. Okay. What I'll do, I'm going to try this watch on. I'm going to wear it for a week, see how it keeps time, and I'll give you a full review a bit later on. Thank you very much.